Hi guys, it's Becky at Babes in Hairland. We're back today with a fun new hairstyle for St. Patrick's Day. You may recall last year we created this 3-leaf clover, and it bugged me a little bit that I wasn't able to get it to be 4 leaves. So that's what we've got for you today. The leprechauns were smiling upon us, I guess, because we got it to work for us. So to begin with, you're going to need a ponytail up here on the top of the head and a topsy tail. I've just parted from the temples back to the crown and secured it with an elastic. Then you'll divide your ponytail into a left and a right section. Then with your topsy tail, place that pointed end off to the left side of the ponytail or above the elastic, not right in the center. You're going to flip that left section up and pull it through your topsy tail. And then flip it down, but don't pull it all the way because you want to leave that as a loop. With the right one now, you're going to do the same thing, but make sure that you have a little space between where you pulled that left section through. So you can see there's a little gap of hair, and then I'm putting the topsy tail down through there. So these are going to make kind of the 2 top sections or leaves of your 4-leaf clover. And like before, don't pull that all the way through. You want it to leave a loop. And you come back and adjust these in a minute, so don't worry about them too much right now. Next, you're going to pull hair from the left and right sides into another ponytail just below the first elastic. Try to get those elastics as close as you can because that leaves it so there's not a big gap in the center of your 4-leaf clover. So once you've got that ponytail secured, you're going to be dividing it in half. Then place your topsy tail kind of diagonally up from that elastic. You don't want to have it right off to the right side of it or it won't hold together and look as nice. So pull this through, but again, leave it as a loop. Like I said, you'll be adjusting these as you go, so don't worry about the shape too much at this point. And then the left, again, also on the diagonal, not straight off to the left. So once you've got that pulled through, you're just going to go and adjust them so it holds the shape that you want. You can try and get the little kind of divot in the top of the leaves like the 4-leaf clovers have. Depending on the hair you're working with, hers wanted to do it a little bit on one, but not all of them, so we just kind of left it as it was. But you've got your loops here, and then so that they don't pull back through, you're going to want to secure these, and you can either take an elastic down here below all your leaves, or I just took a little green ribbon so she doesn't get pinched and add that up top and tie a cute little bow, and you're done. So here's a look at the finished hairstyle. Totally cute and fun, and I'm happy that I was able to get those 4 leaves to work this year. As silly as it was, it really bothered me that it wasn't a 4-leaf clover. So we hope you like this. We hope you'll try it. Go back and check out our 3-leaf clover if you don't like it, but hopefully you will not get pinched for St. Patrick's Day wearing this cute little style. So thanks guys for watching. We appreciate you coming back each week and checking out our videos. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't, comment and let us know what you think, and we will see you next time. Thanks guys, bye bye.